become a flower person.
If we don't find it there, then I need to think of another way to create this DIY project.
Okay, this is definitely an awkward position to start off with a vlog, so let's not do that. Hey drillers, welcome back to DIYYolande. My name is Yolande, and as you read from the title, yes, you'll be spending the weekend with me. Today is Friday. I've just knocked off from work. The time now is 4:30. I just decided to whip up the camera and allow you guys to spend the weekend with me. I don't know what I have planned. I don't know what I'll be doing this weekend, so we'll see. So spend the weekend with me cleaning up. I'm gonna wash the dishes, then I'm going to just neaten out my sitting area and then just chill. It's a Friday, so I'm not sure if I want to make supper tonight or if we're just gonna have some takeouts. I feel like ribs though, so if you follow me on Instagram at DIYYolande, you know how much I love escort ribs. I love their ribs. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. But while you already know how obsessed I am, let me go back to cleaning. Tulips from I actually have a vlog where she and I were meeting up for the very first time and we went out for lunch. I'll link that up here. And she got me these for my birthday. Like, I was legit not a flower person, but I've now realized and accepted I wasn't a flower person because I've never received flowers. And now that I've received flowers and how they look in my kitchen, I have become a flower person. I have become a flower person. and they're stunning. And they're now opening up. So I'm now refilling these containers. Refills is much more affordable for me. So I freeze my fruits. This is my prep for my smoothies. So I individually freeze my fruits like this, and then I put them in bags, and then when I'm making my smoothies, I whip it out, put it in the blender. Don't these grapes look so beautiful? They look like sweets. They're so cute. I'm watching 𝙊𝙤𝙥𝙞𝙤𝙤 on the Tube, one of my fave YouTubers. Do check her out, guys. So I was able to make 4 of these. I'm going to make more tomorrow because I need more zip seal bags. Just pop them in the freezer, and whenever you're feeling like a smoothie, I just grab a bag, make a smoothie. It just makes my life so much easier. So much easier. Good morning. It is Saturday now. And I am off to Bargain and Basket to go grab foam for a DIY that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you guys some behind the scenes. You'll did share that you'll enjoy that. So let's go to Bargain and Basket. So guys, Bargain and Basket is an arts and crafty store. You really have nice, affordable stuff. This is where I buy some of my plates and bowls. Their prices are also very reasonable. So this glass is 14 rand. Aren't these bowls just gorgeous? They're gorgeous. I unfortunately didn't get the foam that I want, the cushion foam that I want, so I'm going elsewhere to check. I'm loving these legs for the coffee table I want to build, but I'll see. I'll come back. And then the famous hairpin legs. They now have them in white and black. So I called Bargain and Basket this morning to find out if they have cushion foam. The lady I spoke to told me that they did have. Hence we went to Bargain and Basket. When I get there, they only have polystyrene and that green foam thing, like that you
for plants. And then we went to 𝙬𝙤𝙪 didn't have. I called Crazy Store because online it says they have. Called their store, they don't have. Called my local store, they don't have. I called Buco, they also don't have. And I called builders, they also don't have. So it's a search for a cushion foam, guys. Now we're headed to Macro, which is in Springfield, and if we don't find it there, then I need to think of another way to create this DIY project. So I finally found a place in Sanlam Center. It's called Foam for You. Knock knock. So guys, please do check them out. I'm going to put their contact details here on screen for you. But if you are in Pinetown and you're looking to DIY something and you're needing foam, definitely check out Foam for You. Good morning. We've had I deserve a smoothie, so I'm going to whip up a smoothie for myself quickly. Then I'm going to set up for the DIY project, and then yeah, I'll take you guys behind the scenes of that. Yeah, let's make a smoothie. We are having my fave for supper tonight. I think I'll make it with mashed potatoes. So here's a behind the scenes. This is what is the situation. Yeah, so all the stuff that I use for that project, I put them near me. So this is my outdoor patio, and this is where the magic happens. I really would love to have those windy houses, those wooden houses things. I'd like to have that. My patio has really been damaged, and unfortunately we are not using it as a patio because I'm using it as my recording studio. But yeah, so that is the behind the scenes action for today. I'm going to continue recording this video for the IGTV. And I'll see you guys when I am making supper. See you later. Let us eat. Yummy.